Tech giants Amazon, Google, Apple, Facebook, Microsoft, Spotify, Instagram, Netflix are reworking on how businesses could leverage customer data. They are taking a large pie of the Indian financial services sector, and the Reserve Bank of India is worried. In its financial stability report, the central bank said big tech companies offering financial services pose risk to financial stability as their complex, intertwined operational linkages with financial institutions could lead to contagion effects and potential anti-competitive behavior. Hello and welcome to VARINDIA News Hour. What is at risk? How marketing data is currently used? There is a lot at stake, which includes the way companies use algorithms and technology to track individual users. Take Google for instance. If they enhance their privacy by masking customer data, businesses must then go through Google to purchase ads, which ultimately means gaining access to targeting data to send those messages to a designated user base. Propelled by big data, these online ads have previously helped companies target people with characteristics of someone to whom the content and promotions are likely to be of interest. Big data is the process of buying data from a third-party provider, collecting the online activity, purchase history, social media content, and more to identify people that are most likely interested in the promotions a company has to offer. Big data is simply a collection of data that may be accessed to disclose patterns and trends. It is used by several multinational companies to filter the data and business of various companies. There are specialized agencies who process the IP address and cookies to do the marketing by knowing the user's interest, preferences, pattern, and buying behaviors. After this, the big data helps companies to understand their customers' needs and wants and also enable to business to engage in a real-time, one-on-one conversation with consumers. It is the second time within a fortnight that RBI has expressed its concerns over big tech's functioning and operations in the financial sector. Last year too, the central bank raised red flags saying that big tech companies are likely to become dominant players in the financial services sector in the country and pose a threat to existing banks, payment companies, and non-banking financial services players. It also stated that these companies would bring their own set of challenges to regulators in advanced and emerging markets. Regulators and supervisors face a challenging balancing act between innovation, friendliness, and managing risks to financial stability, the central bank said in its financial stability report. Let's look into today's headlines in VARINDIA. India needs National Technology Coordinator. To effectively lead the global tech movement, India urgently needs to invest in an office of what might be called a National Technology Coordinator. An NTC should ideally be located in the National Security Council Secretariat. The NSCS deconflicts domestic rulemaking and regulations with India's position in the mini-lateral structures that promise to define the future of security and cooperation in the Indo-Pacific. The office of an NTC would actively work alongside the MEA, the MeitY, the G20 coordination team. GoogleIndia removes 4 lakh bad content pieces in May. Tech giant GoogleIndia took down nearly 4 lakh bad content pieces in May through an automated detection process. These complaints relate to third-party content that is believed to violate local laws or personal rights on Google's SSMI platforms. Over 24,000 of these complaints involved copyright infringement, followed by trademark infringement that is of 433 and other legal problems that is of 257. The tech giant removed 62,673 pieces of content that broke community guidelines in response to user complaints. Twitter bans over 46,000 bad Indian accounts in May. Twitter removed 43,656 accounts for child sexual exploitation, non-consensual nudity, and similar content, while 2,870 accounts were banned for promoting terrorism. The platform received 1,698 complaints in India via its local grievance mechanism between April 26, 2022 and May 25, 2022. It also took action against 1,621 uniform resource locators during the period, which includes URLs of violating norms related to online harassment with 1,077, hateful conduct with 362, and sensitive adult content with 154. Reddit acquires MeaningCloud. Popular online discussion forum Reddit is acquiring MeaningCloud, a natural language processing company specializing in extracting meanings from unsaturated content. The technology will strengthen Reddit's machine learning proficiencies and understanding of unsaturated data, ultimately providing the most relevant information for Redditors. The MeaningCloud team will support ML projects across product safety and ads teams at Reddit. Iron Pillar to raise $400 million to support Indian tech startups. Leading investment company Iron Pillar is reportedly raising nearly $400 million to further help boost the country's startup ecosystem. Iron Pillar provides growth capital to help Indian startups expand their global footprint. The VC firm is in advanced talks with limited partners to raise about $400 million in its second fund. Last year, it raised $10 million for its second fund from Alana Group. That's all for now. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to VARINDIA News Magazine. You can download the VARINDIA app from Google Play Store and Apple App Store for the latest news and updates. Stay tuned. Thank you.